We're ready for Chapter 6, Task 2. And I want to go to New Diagram, and I'm going to choose Class Diagram, Standard. Click OK. And I have been playing around in here a little bit, and so yours may be a little bit different than mine because some of mine have already been created and some of them haven't. So I'll try to remind you or tell you when I run into those things. So you want to start with, you're going to have 5 classes, and the first one will be student, which I'm not going to be able to use that here because like I said, I've already kind of been messing around a little bit. If you run into that, just put a period after student, and yours won't look like this because I've already set up some of the attributes when I was working on this. Yours should look like, when I do this one, registration record, yours will look like that. And I'll show you how to do the rest of this in just a moment, the attributes and the methods. So go ahead and create all your classes. There are 5. This one's instructor. Again, if you run into that, just put a period after it. Course and training record. Whoops, I didn't mean to click that far off the page. I'm going to go ahead and move this one up a little bit. Okay, now as you can see in this one, I've already added the attributes and methods. We'll do that in a few minutes, but right now what we want to do is add our relationships. And so just grab one of these. This one is going to be the relationship between student and registration record, and we're going to put right here a student registers, and a student registers 0 to many, and the registration record can have 0 to many students. So yours should look like this. Alright, the next relationship we'll do is the registration record to the course, and a registration record includes the course. It can include, we'll just put nothing here, but it can include 1 to many courses. And I did that backwards. So if you do what I did, change the item, it should be 1 to many here. Okay, that's backwards from what I think it should be for some reason. Okay, so now we will do the relationship between instructor and course. An instructor teaches. And this, I'm going to show you this. We have 1 to many, and let's see if I get this straight this time. 1, and then 1 to many. Okay, so we want to read that this way. No, I don't think I have this right yet. Hold on just a second. Okay, now I have it. An instructor teaches 1 to many courses, but a course is taught by one and only one instructor. That's the way we read that. Okay, and then we have an instructor updates a training record. See if I get this right. Okay, that's correct. And then registration record and training record, and we'll just put updates here as well. Okay, and then I think that's all of our relationships. Okay, and so click on your select tool, and now what we're ready to do is add the attributes and methods. And so I've already done this one, so let me show you. Double click on, oh, I've spelled this wrong. Hang on. Fix that. Okay, much better. Okay, so you'll double click and you'll have to save your diagram. So I'm going to save this as register use case. I cannot spell today. Okay, and then we're going to go down here to click on attributes, and the attributes for registration record are student number, course number, payment method, and tuition due. Click OK. And then we're going to go over here to methods and then click on the add method button, and you have to click new, and the methods in the registration record class determine tuition. Click new again. Prepare roster. Click new again and confirm. And if you look at your list, you should have all three methods, and we click close, save, and exit, and then your registration record should look like this. Okay, for instructor and course and training record, the classes for instructor are instructor ID, name, course qualifications, location, and phone. And we go to methods, and the methods for this class are teach, whoop, I've got to click new, teach course, and report outcome. Close, save, exit, and then we're ready to do course. The attributes are course number, course name, instructor, and day and time. Go to the methods. The methods are add course, change course, and delete course. Close, save, exit, and then finally the training record. Our attributes are student number, course number, date, and completion data. Then we go to our methods, and the methods are output to SCR staff, output to student, and finally output to corporate client. Close, save, exit, and that completes task 2.